Are you curious about the differences between communication and mass communication? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore 7 key distinctions between these two fundamental concepts. Communication refers to the exchange of information between individuals or groups. Mass communication, on the other hand, involves the dissemination of information to a large and diverse audience. Communication is typically a two-way process, allowing for immediate feedback and interaction. Mass communication, in contrast, is often a one-way process, with limited opportunity for feedback from the audience. Communication can be conducted in person, over the phone, or through various digital platforms. Mass communication relies mostly on mass media channels such as television, radio, newspapers, and the Internet. Communication typically occurs within small groups or between individuals, fostering personal connections and deeper understanding. Mass communication, however, reaches a large and anonymous audience, often lacking the same level of personal connection. Communication is usually informal, allowing for individual style, expressions, and gestures. Mass communication tends to be more formal, presenting information in a standardized manner for broader dissemination. In communication, the sender and receiver usually share a common background and understanding. Mass communication targets an audience with diverse backgrounds, requiring a more generalized approach. Communication often emphasizes context, personal experiences, and cultural nuances. Mass communication aims for objectivity, presenting information that is relevant to a wide range of individuals. Communication is highly interactive, promoting active listening and immediate response. Mass communication is typically a passive experience for the audience, consuming information without direct participation. In communication, the sender has a clear knowledge of the receiver's identity and characteristics. Mass communication lacks such personalized knowledge, making it challenging to tailor messages to specific individuals. Communication can be spontaneous and informal, allowing for dynamic and flexible conversations. Mass communication follows a structured and planned approach, with carefully crafted messages and content. In summary, while communication focuses on personal connections and immediate feedback, mass communication reaches a larger audience with standardized messages.